Hi, welcome back to Gear Talk. Today we'll be installing the K&N air filter in this bad boy. The thing is with the K&N, it just supersedes the stock air filter, it gets more air in, plus there's less maintenance. It goes maybe 3-4 times as long as a normal air filter does, and all we do is to replenish that, we take it out, wash it in a K&N oil and put it back in. It lasts a lifetime. Let's crack on. So what we'll do, we've released all the screws. We've got 2 here, we've got 2 here, and 3 there. That's one out. But what I tend to do is, on my shelf to my right here, I take them out and put them down in order. So they're at the back of the bike. Now going to the front of the bike, same thing again, just release these 2 screws. There you go, and they're there on the shelf. So I know they will go back on there, they will go here. And the final 3 are one here, one there, and one in the centre. The one on the left and one on the right, they're 25 Torx, but the one then in the centre is a 30. But same again, put them over there on the shelf. And the final one, and this is a Torx 30. There you go. So once your screws are out, just gently unclip, like so. Off comes the cover. Place that in a safe place. You've got 4 screws. Release those 4 screws. They are fairly long screws, these, by the way. So you may think you've got them, but just keep on going until it's released. Them. That's the stock air filter. See the difference? Performs better with that one as well. Performs a hell of a lot better, does that one, with the K&N in. And the warranty is not void, your warranty is still live. So all we do is reverse back. Put that in there like so. Put the covers back in there like that. Screws out. making sure the cover is down and seals flush. Right, that's the lid back on. All I need to do now is bolt it down.